You are sitting at a stoplight and your engine feels like it is about to shake right out of the engine bay, and when you finally hit the gas, the car feels incredibly sluggish and underpowered. You plug in your code reader and get P0265, which means the computer is seeing an abnormally high electrical current draw from the fuel injector on cylinder number 2. Your engine needs a precise spray of fuel to run correctly, and if that injector is failing or shorting out, that specific cylinder goes completely dead. Driving around with a dead cylinder is a terrible idea because it can easily foul out your spark plug, cause engine knock, and dump raw fuel into the exhaust, which will quickly melt your expensive catalytic converter. The most common culprit for this high voltage draw is actually right at the electrical connector sitting on top of the fuel injector. Over time, engine vibration and intense heat can loosen that connection or cause corrosion, which creates excessive electrical resistance. To overcome that resistance, the system draws more current, triggering the code. Pop the hood, find cylinder number 2, and check that plastic connector. If the pins are bent or green with corrosion, clean them up and use some dielectric grease before snapping it back on. You can also take a long screwdriver, put the metal tip against the injector body, and press your ear against the handle while the engine is running. If you hear a steady clicking sound, the injector is mechanically working. If it is dead silent, you need to test it. Unplug the injector and use a digital multimeter to check the internal resistance across the 2 metal terminals. A healthy fuel injector should usually read somewhere between 0.5 and 2.0 ohms. If the reading is way outside that range, the internal copper coil is shorted out and the injector is garbage. A lot of times, the anhydrous ethanol in modern E10 gasoline draws in moisture, which strips away the lubricating properties of the fuel and literally rusts the injector from the inside out. If the resistance is good, you can try running a pressurized direct injection cleaner through the fuel rail, but if that fails, you will just have to bite the bullet and install a brand new fuel injector.